The Queen title is not just for the race, or the crown, or the bragging rights. It's a responsibility, especially with Miss Akwaba pageantry show, being an ambassador for culture and tourism. I am Queen Amponsa, your most authentic for the third week on the Miss Akwaba pageantry show. Today, I am here at the Accra Shea Butter Museum with Tour Motherland Ventures. Tour Motherland, where your blackness is enough and you are treated as you should. We are here to explore the magic of shea butter, a place where culture and luxury entwine. Welcome Tour Motherland to our Shea Butter Museum. My name is Savannah and I will be your assistant for the day. Please come with me.
She's the king of queens. She's the queen of queens.
So I'm here with my assistant Nanaya. So in the Shea Butter Museum, we serve our guests with local beverages and snacks. Please come with me. On our table, we have asana, we have hibiscus, also known as sobolo, and we have ginger drink, we have coconut drinks, and we have some snacks as well for you. Would you like to try? Sure. Okay. So this is the asana.
Like asana.
I prefer the hibiscus.
Alright.
Wow.
My lady. You're welcome.
I like the natural taste. That's great.
So the Shea Butter Museum was founded by Hamamat Montia, a Miss Malaika model in 2019. The museum showcases the entire process of making the shea butter, from harvesting of the nuts and crafting of the butter. It also shows the richness of our nature and strength of our heritage. As you are enjoying, we are celebrating our shea fruit season. So these are some branches of the shea tree with the fruits attached. The shea trees can't survive here. It only survives in the northern region, Tamale. So we have a bigger shea farm. So these are the branches of the shea tree with some fruits on it. So these are actually the shea fruits. The shea fruits are edible when it's fresh. So I can watch some for you to try. It tastes like pear, avocado, and mango as well. Would you like to try? Right. So this is our shea fruit. It's actually edible when fresh. So let's try with me. You see, this is the seed. So we need this. We crack to get the nuts from it. After which we dry. So after drying, we pound. After pounding, we roast. After roasting, we grind. So after grinding, we add warm water. Then knead. So in the process of kneading, the butter settles on top. We fetch and boil for some time. We let it cool to solidify to make the shea butter. A traveler who visits the museum gets to know the richness of our nature, the strength of our heritage, as he or she gets to know the process of making the shea butter on his or her own. So it displays the 21 countries that produces the shea butter, where the shea trees can survive. So the shea tree grows naturally. You can't intentionally grow the shea tree. It dies on its way or doesn't bear fruit. So these are the 21 African countries where the shea tree can survive. So we have it in different colors because of some herbs each country adds to theirs for different purposes. So we have Senegal's own. Senegal's own is good for exfoliating of the skin. Mali's own is good for a hydrated skin. Burkina Faso's own is good for hair growth and skin rashes. We have Cameroon's own. Cameroon's own is also good for exfoliating of the skin. And we have Ghana's own. Ghana's one is natural, handmade here in the Shea Butter Museum. So we have it, they have it in different textures. If you taste, the texture differs from each one here. And then at the Shea Butter Museum, we produces 2 shea butters. We have the golden and then the yellow one. The yellow one is some herbs being added. The herbs is good for diaper rash, it's good for massaging, and then it's good for clearing of pimples. The golden one is good for clearing of stretch marks. It's also good for pimples. It opens our pores. It soothes the skin and is gentle on the skin as well. So these are the 21 countries that produces the shea butter, or where the shea tree can survive. So it's actually we have the shea belt on the Africa, the shea belt. So 21 African countries where the shea tree can survive. Benin, Togo, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Senegal, Mali, Niger, Nigeria, Cameroon, Congo, Ethiopia, Sudan, Kenya, Zambia, Angola, Africa. Tourists, as you visit the museum, you get to know the uses, the importance of the shea butter. So our shea butter soothes the skin. It clears pimples, dermatitis, eczema. It clears stretch marks, is good for massaging, and also good for diaper rash. So when a tourist visits us, he or she gets a souvenir, a gift of our shea butter. He or she gets to experience the magic of our shea butter. So this is our shop, our flagship shop. Hi! So we have soaps made from the shea. We have our shea soap. The shea soap restores skin natural moisture. It soothes the skin. It's gentle on the skin. It clears pimples. It clears rashes, dermatitis. Then we have our African black soap. Our African black soap is good for body odor. Yes, so if you have body odor, you can purchase our African black soap. It helps it to cure it. It's good for pimples as well. It clears pimples. It clears stretch marks. And then it refines like fine lines too. It clears the fine lines. We have our coconut oil. So this is the coconut oil in the calabash form, just for customers to perceive the smell. We have our coconut village in Ada. The coconut oil is edible, as we all know. It boosts our immune system. It opens our pores. It's gentle on babies. We have our baobab oil. The baobab oil contains omega-3 fatty acid, which boosts our immune system. It's good for the skin, nails and hair. It clears pimples, dermatitis as well. This is our cinnamon sticks. It's just for display. So we use the cinnamon powder in making soaps here in the Shea Butter Museum. So these are the sticks. As I said earlier, at Hamamat, at the Shea Butter Museum, we make 2 shea butters. We have the raw one. So this is the raw one being ripped. And this is the safari one. The safari one contains the natural herbs. So in the process of boiling, we add the natural herbs. That is the passion roots. It's good for massaging. So if you have some joint pains, a continuous usage of our safari shea butter can cure the pains. We have our golden one, which is good for stretch marks. It clears stretch marks. It clears pimples. It soothes the skin. It makes the skin glow. We have our natural powders. This is the neem powder. So the neem powder is edible. It boosts our immune system. And then if you want to make a face mask, you just pour some portion of the neem powder, you add water, then you apply on your face. It clears pimples. It opens your pores. So these are our baskets. We celebrated basket season last month. So these are some cute baskets. So this is the raw shea butter. You can try or try out. Yeah. And this is our royal golden butter. This one, it has a vanilla scent in it. The Shea Butter Museum is a must visit because as a person, you have to know how to make your own body butter, how to make your own shea butter for yourself, your family, and people around. So, our royal golden butter is the raw shea butter with a vanilla scent. We have our rosemary here. The rosemary, we use it in making hair growth products. This is our moringa oil. The moringa oil controls cholesterol. It's good for cholesterol management. It boosts the hair and then it clears pimples as well. This is the hibiscus powder. We use the hibiscus powder in making soaps here, which is good for exfoliating of the skin. Our African black soap as well. Then we come to our village huts. So here we have some of the shea butters in a calabash form. So if you want your shea butter to be made in a calabash form, we just alert our production team to make a fresh and handy one for you. Handmade, natural. So this is the calabash shea butter. Yeah, this is our spoon. That is our spoon. And in the Shea Butter Museum, we entertain our guests with some games. So this is our worry. So we entertain them with some games. So these are the goddess, mother goddess. Some people believe it helps them with childbearing. So this is the goddess. Oh, yeah, you can try. This is our mixing area where a customer who wants to mix his or her own body butter with oils or any powder is allowed. So here we have a portion of the shea butter being mixed with her moringa and turmeric powder and some baobab oil. The turmeric powder clears pimples just like the moringa oil.
So it depends on what the person wants.
Wants, yes.
So with this type of mixture, what is the end product or the end result?
Body butter. I didn't talk about salt, so we have some sea salt here. Good for, we use it in making body scrubs. So the body scrubs is for exfoliating of the skin. So this is a mixture of shea butter, moringa powder, turmeric powder, and baobab oil.
Which is good for the nails,
hair, skin. The Shea Butter Museum is located at Airport West Residential, Kofi Annan Street 53, 15 minutes away from the airport. Also, we have our bigger museum in Tamale at Savlugu. You can follow us at I am Hamamat and also the Shea Butter Museum on all socials. The Shea Butter Museum, come and experience the magic of shea butter.
Do you love Ghana? Do you love tourism? Do you want to know the secret behind this beautiful black natural skin of a proud Ghanaian as I am? Would you love to explore the rich culture and heritage of Mother Ghana? Worry no more, because Tour Motherland Ventures is proud and happy to include the Accra Shea Butter Museum in our wonderful culture tourism programs. Book Tour Motherland Ventures today to experience Ghana like never before. Tour Motherland Ventures, where your blackness is enough and you are treated as you should, royalty. Tour Motherland Ventures, travel in style. Contact us now. Thank you.